could it be possible that they're also weighing, the noise that will come from the opposition, from the Duterte camp, that they are again being targeted?
Well, I think they're doing a meta-legal approach. Alam nila na legally, kung talagang seryoso ang gobyerno, lagot sila. Kahit madulas, matinik sila, kung matatag at marunong at tapat yung mga mang-uusig ng gobyerno, kulong mga yan. There's more than enough evidence. So I think they're angling from the political side.
Right, pero kasi malapit ng 2028. So, nagdi-dribble, kumbaga.
Precisely.
That's why
But,
dapat bilisan because,
you're right on point, Ses. Yung injustice is not only yung hindi pagpa-file, yung pagdi-dribble. We have seen a lot of dribbling in all agencies of government, especially those yung mga institutions of oversight, di ba? Ombudsman walang ginawa, yung DOJ noon, yung Kongreso, yung COA, they're also involved here. And then even the courts all the way up to the Supreme Court. Our justice system is notoriously slow and delay breeds corruption. So sana, I'm glad you're putting that forward. It's not just filing cases. Huwag nyo nang i-dribble, huwag nang natin paabutin sa susunod na political fiesta. Baka mawala na naman ito and ang kawawa tayo. Ninakawan na tayo, wala tayong ma-recover, wala ring nananagot.